Hi friends, how are you? I hope everyone is doing good. And this is Anjan Kumar, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, guys, today's video I would like to talk about, or I would like to share valuable information, and which is if you want to build or if you want to start your career in digital marketing, and this a series of videos it could really helpful for you, even from starting your website and building your website and buying your domain hosting and doing some kind of SEOs and all. And so this all kind of stuff, I would like to be create various videos, and I would like to be upload into the this particular series of playlist as well. So now, as part of this particular course, I would like to talk about what exactly that if you want to start your digital marketing course. First thing is that what exactly the digital marketing. So what exactly digital marketing. So digital marketing means it's a very simple thing, guys. Just imagine yourself like you start on particular business, okay, and from that particular business you build or you are doing a lot of productions, you build some kind of products or you're manufacturing some of the products, okay. So this particular products you want to sell in your, you want to sell to your consumers, or consumers means who are using that particular product, okay. So you have to so you might have a lot of competitors as well. And so your products is good, but your competitors are doing a good marketing and you are not doing any kind of marketing, then your product will never reach to your consumers or your target customers, right? So that particular situation, maybe your business can be collapse. That's sure, for sure. So that's the reason the marketing is the pretty important. Just in 10 years back, we don't have any kind of internet usage more. And so that everyone is doing traditional marketing. Like traditional marketing means playing your as like an ad in TVs or else radios or else newspapers and all, or else directly we are reaching to the consumers or target customers and explaining about your product, okay. This all things comes under the traditional marketing. But whenever consumers or target customers are using the internet whenever it is available in the public, and everyone using mobile phone, and and if you do the TV, watching the TV and watch time of the TVs and radios, newspaper, everything has been reduced actually. So everyone using try to use the mobile phone, even urban areas as well. All the can all the age group people when mobile phone, okay. So and talk about your business, and you have to uh, promote your business to your customers or target customers. Then the best option is that internet marketing, that we can call it as the digital marketing, because everyone using the smartphones, right? So when you do your when you are doing digital marketing, your product information or your product details will definitely reach to the all the users, and if anybody is interested, then they will use your product. So this entire process, we can say it's a digital marketing, okay. We are promoting your business through online, so that's the reason we can call it as the digital marketing, okay. That is good actually. Now, fine. That's a, so far it's a fine. Like how we can do it actually. And first thing is that as a part of the digital marketing, make sure you should have knowledge to build a website. Okay. First thing is that what is an website? Website means it's just a domain, or and plus we need to host this particular domain. So domain means something www dot google.com, and so that's a one domain, okay. Google.com is one domain, okay, or else www dot or tech skill is one domain, okay. So these domains we have to purchase first of all, okay. So if you were start your business, or else or at least you need to talk, you need to explain to your customers as well, and you need to you need to purchase the domain, okay. And it might be renewable in after 2 years or 3 years as well. And once if you purchase your domain, then as a designer or web developer, okay, so you need to hire the one web developer, and as web developer we can use the various web development tools, so either coding tools or no coding tools and all. Okay, and we can use those tools and web development tools, then we can build your website. Once if you build your website, okay, so that it must be on live. Okay, it must be on live. Okay, how we can do it actually? How we can uh, do it in live actually? Or simply what we can do, whatever the website you build, that we need to be post into the server. So we need to be posting into the server, posting into servers. This particular process, we can say that, deployment of your website. So that we can simply say that it's a deployment. Once if you deploy your project in your website into the server, then you have to link your domain to this particular server. Link your domain to your server. That's that's the way we can get your website into the live. Okay. So this entire process, we can say that, web development actually. Okay. So as part of the digital marketing, you must aware of building the website, at least one tool that we can say WordPress. Okay. So I hope you know I hope you understood this particular stuff. And if you really like this particular video, then what we can do, we can do like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section. And if any, if from your friends, if anyone want to learn, or if they newly started business, and you can share this particular video to them as well. Okay. And so if you need any kind of services in terms of digital marketing, then you can reach out us, and definitely we can help you. Thank you so much for watching this particular video, and continuously we can do the videos recording about this particular digital marketing mastering program. And yeah, thank you so much, guys.